Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz and I want to thank you for being here today. Our tutorial today is about 2 compelling reasons why you would like to use a computer. A lot of people think, well, I don't have a business, I don't really need a computer. Well, 2 compelling reasons to use a computer for anyone and everyone is the internet and email. What you're seeing here on my screen right now is something called Yahoo. And Yahoo is what is called a search engine. It's a very popular search engine. At this point in time, probably the 2 most popular is something called Google and something called Yahoo. Yahoo gives you a little bit more information on their home page than does Google. Again, don't worry about any of this terminology because I'll explain this as we go on. But one of the reasons you want to use a search engine and why you want to use the internet is because from this point you can learn so much information about virtually anything and everything. Whether it be you want to create a recipe for dinner and you have maybe some chicken and broccoli in the fridge and you're trying to find a good recipe, look it up on the internet. If you want to find out how to tweak your golf swing, you can find out on the internet. If you want to look up an old friend, you might be able to find him or her on the internet. The internet is like having a library at your fingertips, and it really is open to your imagination. The greater your imagination, the greater you'll be able to use the internet, because you can find virtually any kind of information you want, whether it's tweaking your golf swing, finding a recipe on the web, anything of that nature, you can find it. So the internet is one of those things you can just get into and play with. You can't really get too lost because in future classes on the internet, I'm going to teach you how to get around and how to do some things. Email gives you a lot of different options. In other words, I want you to observe right down here, there's something called Mail. You can actually set up a free email account with Yahoo. It's very popular. Yahoo isn't the only option to set up free email. So you can set up a free email account. It might be your name, like johnsmith@yahoo.com. Now granted, that's probably taken, but you can set up an email and be sending email right away. So the internet has a lot of great advantages, and I want you to get excited about that because it can connect you to a lot of great information. So think about the internet as a great way to get information, do some interesting things, and it's all sitting right there in the power of your computer. My name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much.